What if you could fix your voiceovers without re-recording a single word? Stum- Stumbled on a script mistake, missed a sentence, want to add a whole paragraph without touching your mic. That's where Descript Overdub comes in. It literally clones your voice and lets you type in new audio like it's Google Docs. Sounds crazy? Let me show you exactly how to use it, how it works, and how to use it like a pro. So, here's how Overdub changed the game. And in this video, you will be learning how to train Overdub with your voice, how to edit audio just by typing, how to replace mistakes or add lines, how to avoid the robotic AI sound and make it natural. So let's do it. First things first. First things first. You'll have to train the overdub. Simply come to the AI speakers option and you'll need to record at least 10 minutes. But for better results, go for 30 45 minutes. Speaks clearly, naturally, and vary your tones. This script will process your data in a few hours and boom, your AI voice is ready. Now here's the magic. Let's say you messed up a sentence like here I did. Actually, there will be number 3 and I have till the number 2. Just deleting the word in the transcript and typing number 3, typing the correct word. This script auto generates audio in your own voice. It blends seamlessly with your original voice. You will see a little sparkle icon to indicate it's overdub. Maybe you forgot to add a sponsor shout out or CTA. Just click anywhere in the transcript and start typing. This script will insert your voice, AI voice, there without needing to re-record. This is perfect for tight deadlines, fixing last minute scripts, or even A/B testing voiceover versions. This is sound with the Sira. So when you're done, just export as usual. This script will bake into over that seamlessly. Nobody watching will know where you typed and where you spoke. That's the power of coding. Overdub is not just a cool trick, it's a creative cheat code. Need to write the mistake? Done. Forgot the line? Done. Edit. Want to repurpose script? Done. Type it. But use this ethically. Never clone your voice. You don't have permission to use. If this blew your mind, hit that like. If you want more Descript hacks like automatic audiograms, multicam, or team workflow, hit subscribe. Keep creating. Now you can even type your voice into existence.